News Jax begins with local coverage you can count on.
Tomorrow, lawyers for the man who admits to killing a Nassau County deputy will make a final plea for mercy in front of a judge. I'm Ben Ryan, in for Ben Becker. A jury recommended Patrick McDowell be put to death. He killed Deputy Joshua Moyers during a traffic stop in September 2021. Action News Jax Shanila Kabir joining us in studio. And Shanila, the judge's decision won't be easy.
Ben, Patrick McDowell says he wants to be sentenced to death. And while that was recommended from the jury, his attorneys are doing everything they can to keep the judge from siding with their decision.
I shot him and I left him there to die. I do not deserve to live a long life in a place full of people who will praise and revere me as a cop killer.
Convicted cop killer Patrick McDowell was recommended death by a Nassau County jury, but his attorneys are fighting to keep him off death row. He shot and killed Nassau County Deputy Joshua Moyers in 2021 during a traffic stop. Action News Jax law and safety expert Dale Carson said a Spencer hearing, what McDowell will be in tomorrow, is necessary before the judge's decision is made.
Once it's imposed. And that's why it takes so long for death penalty cases to reach the point where somebody's actually in Florida put in the electric chair. It takes a long time.
McDowell was recommended death by 11-1 vote. Florida law only requires 8. A Spencer hearing allows McDowell's defense team to present more evidence in hopes the judge will not uphold a jury's recommendation that McDowell will be sentenced to death. Carson says what makes this case unusual is McDowell has outwardly said he wants to be put to death, which Carson says raises the decision to not give him what he wants.
You should question the sanity, not the perpetration of the event's sanity, but the subsequent sanity of an individual who would want to be put to death. Many thought that it was a ploy initially by the individual to convince the jury that he shouldn't be put to death by saying, "Kill me."
Action News Jax will be inside the courtroom for tomorrow's hearing. We'll keep you posted on air and online. For local coverage you can count on. In the studio, I'm Shanila Kabir, Action News Jax.